Hello, welcome to my class. In the last videos and all, we discussed some questions from previous year's question papers and we did that chapter wise. In this video also, we are going to do the same and it is from the chapter statistics. And before starting, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay. So let us start now, and the question is, find the mean of the following distribution. Class interval is 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24, 24 to 30 and frequency is 5, 4, 1, 6, 4. So this is class interval. So we have to find the class mark, that is xi. Xi is 0 plus 6 by 2, which is 3. Then here 6 plus 12 by 2, that is 18 by 2, which is 9. Then 12 plus 18 by 2, that is 30 by 2, 15. Then 18 plus 24 by 2, which is 42 by 2, that is 21. Then 24 plus 30 by 2, 54 by 2, which is 27. Okay, now frequency Fi is 5, 4, 1, 6, 4. We can use the direct method because all these numbers are small. So Fi into Xi is 15, 4 nines are 36, 15, then 21 into 6 is 126 and 27 into 4 is 108, right? Now adding this we will get 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 8 is 30. Then 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will get this as 300 and sigma Fi is 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. So sigma Fi is 20. Now mean is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi, which is equal to 300 by 20 and that is equal to 15. So mean of the following distribution is 15. Okay. Next question, the mean of the following distribution is 31.4. Find the missing frequency x. And class is 0 to 10, 10, 20, etc. And frequency 5x, 10, 12, 7 and 8. So we can write that is xi or class mark xi, then f5. And xi is 0 plus 10 by 2, which is 5. Then 10 plus 20 by 2, 30 by 2, which is 15. Then we can write so this is f5. Then 20 plus 30 by 2, 50 by 2, 25. Then next will be 35 and 45 and 55, right? And sigma Fi we have to calculate. So we can write it here. And it is 5, x, 10, 12, 7 and 8. So sigma Fi is equal to 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 12 is 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. 34 plus 8 is 42. So it is 42 plus x. Right? Now di is equal to xi minus a. Right? And we can take a as 35. So xi minus a will be 5 minus 35, which is minus 30. Then 15 minus 35 is minus 20. Then 25 minus 35 is minus 10. 35 minus 35 0. 45 minus 35 10. 55 minus 35 is 20. Okay. And di and ui is equal to di by h, right? And we, what is di by h? H is equal to the interval, class interval, that is 10. It is 10, right? So h is equal to 10 and di by h, that is minus 30 by 10 is minus 3, minus 20 by 10 is minus 2, minus 10 by 10 is minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, then Now we have to calculate Fi Ui. So Fi Ui is 5 into minus 3 minus 15. X into minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus 1 into 10 is minus 10. Then 12 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7. 8 into 2 is 16. Then sigma Fi Ui is equal to minus 15 minus 10 minus 25. Then minus 25 plus 7 is minus 18. Minus 18 plus 16 is minus 2. Then minus 2x. So we will get this as minus 2 minus 2x. Okay. Now mean is equal to A plus A is the assumed mean and we have taken it as 35. So A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. Okay. So we have mean equal to 31.4 and A we have taken as 35 plus sigma Fi Ui is minus 2 minus 2x by sigma Fi is 42 plus x into h is the interval, class interval. Class interval is 10. Now, if we take this 35 to the left hand side, it is 31.4 minus 35, which is minus 3.6 is equal to minus 2 minus 2x by 42 plus x into 10. Right? Now, we can take this to the left hand side. So, it will become minus 3.6 into 42 plus x is equal to minus this into this. So, minus 20x. Okay. So, we can multiply this. 3.6 into 42. 36 into 42 is. So, we will get this as 1512, that is minus 151.2, then minus 3.6x is equal to minus 20 minus 20x. So taking this minus 20x to the left hand side and this minus 151.2 to the right hand side, we will get 20x minus 3.6x is equal to minus 20 plus 151.2. Okay, so 20x minus 3.6x is 16.4x, right? So 16.4x is equal to, this is equal to 131.2. 151.2 minus 20 is 131.2. So x is equal to 131.2 by 16.4, which is equal to 8. So this x, that is frequency x, is equal to 8. Okay, understood? Next one, calculate the mean of the following frequency distribution. Class 10 to 30, etc. and this frequency is given. Now, class interval, we can write it as 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90 and 90 to 110. Now, class mark xi is 10 plus 30 by 2, which is 40 by 2, 20. 50 plus 30 by 2, 80 by 2, 40. Then 60, 80, 100. Right? And this xi minus a. What is xi minus a here? It is A we can take as 60 because this is the assumed mean. So, we can write it as xi minus 60. Di is equal to xi minus 60. 20 minus 60 is minus 40. 40 minus 60 minus 20. Then this is 0. 80 minus 60, 20. And 100 minus 60 is 40. Okay. Now, ui is equal to di by h. So, h is the class interval. It is 20. So, minus 40 by 20 is minus 2, minus 20 by 20 minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, we have not written F5 and we can write A equal to 60. Then F5, we have to write F5 here, 15, 18, 25, 10 and 2. Now sigma Fi Ui is Fi 15 into minus 2 minus 30, then 18 into minus 1 is minus 18, then 25 into 0 0, 10 into 1 10 and 2 into 2 is 4. Now we have to calculate sigma Fi as well as sigma Fi Ui, that is we have to add this and then add this. We can write Fi Ui here. And this is sigma Fi is equal to, we can draw the columns now. Okay. Now we can calculate sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus 18 is 58. 58 plus 10 is 68. 68 plus 2 is 70. Okay. Now sigma Fi Ui. Sigma Fi Ui is equal to minus 30 minus 18 is minus 48. Minus 48 plus 10 is minus 38. Minus 38 plus 4 is minus 34. Now, mean is equal to A plus, we can write A here. Now, we have taken it as A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. And A we have taken as 60. 60 plus sigma Fi Ui is minus 34 by sigma Fi is 70 and H is the class interval which is 20. So 20. Now this 0 and 0 will get cancelled and we will get this as 60 minus 68 by 7 which is equal to 60 minus 68 by 7. 7 will go in 68. 9 times, then 7 nines are 63. So 5 is the remainder. Then 50 by 7 is 7 sevens are 49 and 1 remainder. So you will get this as 9.71. 68 by 7 is 9.71. Now 60 minus 9.71 and this is equal to 9 to 50.29. So mean of this frequency distribution is 50.29. Okay, understood? Next one, if the mean of the following data is 14.7, find the values of P and Q. So we know that mean is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. So we can calculate xi, Fi and Fi xi. Okay, now what is xi? 0 plus 6 by 2, 3. Then 6 plus 12 by 2, 9. 12 plus 18 by 2, that is 30 by 2, 15. Then 21, 27, 33 and 39, right? Now Fi is 10, P, 4, 7, Q, 4, 1. And Fi xi is 3 into 10, 30, 9p, then 15 into 4 is 60, 21 into 7 is 147, 27 into q is 27q, 33 into 4 is 132, right? And 39 into 1 is 39. So sigma Fi xi is 30 plus 60, 90. 90 plus 147 is 237. 237 plus 132. 237 plus 132 is 369. 369 plus 39 is 408. So this is 408 and now we have to calculate sigma Fi. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. So this is 27 plus P plus Q. Okay. Now we have mean is 14.7. 14.7 is equal to sigma Fi xi. This is 408 plus 9p plus 27q. Okay. So 408 plus 9p plus 27q by sigma Fi is 26 plus p plus q. 26 plus p plus q. And total is given as 40. That is, this is equal to 40. Okay. So 26, we can write this as 40 here. And we can write 26 plus p plus q is equal to 40. Which means p plus q equal to 40 minus 26, which is 14. This is equation 1. Okay. Now we can calculate from this. Just cross multiply and we will get 408 plus 9p plus 27q is equal to 40 into 14.7, which is equal to 147 into 4, 28, 16, 18, 5880 with a decimal, that is 588. So 9p plus 27q is equal to 588 minus 408, which is equal to 180. That is 9p plus 27q is equal to 180, and 9 is a factor of all these terms, which means we can divide this by 9. When we divide this by 9, we will get p, and 27 by 9 is 3. So 3q is equal to 180 by 9 is 20. So this is equation 2. And equation 1 is p plus q is equal to 14. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we will get 2q is equal to 6, which means q equal to 3. So q equal to 3. What is p? P equal to 14 minus 3, which is equal to 11. So the values of p and q here are 11 and 3. Okay, understood? Next question, find the mean of the following distribution by step deviation method. And formula for finding mean by step deviation method is mean is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h, right? So we have to find a, then ui and h first. So we'll write this first. Class interval is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. So the class mark xi is 20 plus 30 by 2, which is 25. Then this is 35, 45, 55 and 65. Now fi is given here 25, 40, 42, 33 and 10. And ui is equal to xi minus a by h. What is a here? Assumed mean is this middle, that is middle value, which is 45. A is equal to 45 and h is equal to class interval, that is 30 minus 20, which is 10. Okay, so ui equal to xi minus a by h, that is 25 minus 45 by 10. 25 minus 45 is 20 minus 20 and minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. Then 35 minus 45 by 10, which is minus 10 by 10, which is minus 1. 45 minus 45 by 10, 0. 55 minus 45 by 10, 10. 10 by 10 is 1. Then 65 minus 45 is 20. 20 by 10 is 2. Now we have to calculate FIUI. FIUI is 25 into minus 2, which is minus 50. 40 into minus 1, minus 40. 42 into 0, 0. 33 into 1, 33. 10 into 2, 20. Now sigma FIUI is equal to minus 50 minus 40 minus 90. Minus 90 plus 33 is minus 57. Minus 57 plus 20 is minus 37. Sigma FIUI is minus 37. Okay. Now We can calculate mean. Mean is equal to A is 45 plus sigma FIUI is minus 37 by sigma Fi. Fi is 25 plus 40 is 65. 65 plus 42 is 107. 107 plus 33 is 140. 140 plus 10 is 150. Now minus 37 by 150 into that is sigma Fi is 150 into H is 10. Now this is equal to 45 and 0 0 will get cancelled. 45 minus 37 by 15. So taking LCM, 15 is the LCM. 45 into 15 is 225, 45. So we'll get this as 675 minus 37 by 15, which is equal to 675 minus 37 is 8, then 3, 6. 638 by 15. Now 63 by 15 is 4. 3 remainder. Then 38 by 15 is 2. Then 8 remainder. 80 by 15 is 5. 15 into 5 is 75. So 42.5. Then 5 remainder. 50 by 15 is 3. 45, then 5 remainder. So we'll get this as 42.533 etc., which is equal to 42.53. So mean is equal to 42.53. So we can then write the mean as 42.5 approximately. That is the approximate value of mean here is 42.5. Understood? Sixth question, find the mean of the following by step deviation method, and the frequency distribution table is this. So step deviation method, to find mean by step deviation method, the formula is A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. And here class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Now the class mark xi is 0 plus 10 by 2, which is 5, 10 plus 20 by 2, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Now fi is 5, 13, 20, 15, 7, 2. Okay, now ui is equal to xi minus a by, we can write it as capital A by h. And a is equal to, assume the mean, we can take 25 or 35. We can take 35 here. And h is the interval, that is, it is 10. H is equal to 10. So, ui equal to xi minus a by h, that is 5 minus 35 by 10. 5 minus 35 by 10 is minus 30 by 10, which is minus 3. Then 15 minus 35 by 10, which is minus 20 by 10, which is minus 2. 25 minus 35 by 10 is minus 1. Then this is 0. 45 minus 35 by 10, 1. 55 minus 35 by 10, 2. Okay. Now FIUI. What is FIUI? 5 into minus 3, minus 15. Minus 13 into minus 2, minus 26. 20 into minus 1, minus 20. 15 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7. 2 into 2, 4. So, sigma, we have to calculate this sigma Fi as well as sigma FIUI. So, the sigma Fi is equal to 5 plus 13 is 18. 18 plus 20, 38. 38 plus 15 is 48 plus 5, which is 53. 53 plus 7 is 60. 60 plus 2 is 62. Sorry, this is 5. So sigma Fi Ui here is 10. So this is 10 and this is 5. And sigma Fi is 5 plus 13 28, 5 plus 13 18, 18 plus 20 38, 38 plus 15 is 38 plus 15 is 48 plus 1, 5 which is 53. 53 plus 7 60. 60 plus 5 is 65. And sigma FIUI is minus 15 minus 26 is minus 41. Minus 41 minus 20 is minus 61. Minus 61 plus 7 is minus 54. Minus 54 plus 10 is minus 44. Okay. Now calculating mean is easy. Mean is equal to A is 35 plus sigma FIUI, that is minus 44, by sigma Fi is 65 into H is 10. So this is equal to minus 35 minus 44 by 65 into 10, which is 440 by 65. And 5 will go in this 88 times and here 13 times. So this is equal to minus 35 minus 88 by 13, and here LCM is 13. So this is 35. Okay. No need of minus 35. It is 35. A is 35. So 35 minus 88 by 13. And 35 into 13 is, so 455. 455 minus 88 by 13, which is equal to 455 minus 88 is 367 by 13. And 36 divided by 13 is 3, it will not go 3 times, 2 times. So 26 and remainder is 10. So 107 by 13 is 13 into 5 is 65. 13 into 7 is 91. It will go 8 times. 3 8s are 24. 104. So it will go 8 times. And remainder is 3. 107 minus 104 is 3. Then 30. It will be 30. So 2 times. 13 will go in 32 times. 26. 13 into 2 is 26. Then 4 remainder. 40 by 13, 3. Then 1 remainder. 10 by 13 is 0. So we can take it as 28.2 approximately. So mean here is 28.2 approximately. The approximate value of mean here is 28.2. Okay.